Welcome to our Hornet Studio tutorial. Support plates are solid structures located at the bottom of the printed object. They ensure that the printed object will be firmly attached to the printer's platform and will not fall off during the printing process. Creation and editing of support plates is available in the support step of the Hornet Studio's workflow. To create a support platform, you need to enable the option Support Structures. After this option is enabled, the user interface is updated, and everything is set to go. In the Support Platforms editing view, you can assign various types of support platforms to printed objects. Currently, 4 types of support platforms are available: regular grid, triangulated cells, enforced support start, and smooth platforms. Additionally, Hornet Studio includes a set of presets for objects of various indications such as crowns, inlays, veneers, bridges, and other indications. Let us first introduce available support types and then we will talk about these presets. To add a regular grid support platform, you need to select the corresponding option in the combo box, press the Add button, and then click on the object to which you wish to add the platform. You can assign a different support platform to the object. To remove a support platform, press the Remove button and click on the object. To illustrate the differences between platform types, let us add distinct platform types to each object in the scene. The user can customize the platform parameters. To make the platform thicker, decrease distance between the lines, change the platform margin, and change the line thickness. Each type of the support platform, however, has a unique set of parameters. For example, triangulated cells and enforced support start have only 2 parameters, while smooth platform has 5 parameters. We suggest that you experiment with these parameters in your printing setup to achieve the best result. If you, however, wish to save time on manually fine-tuning platform parameter, you can use a preset that include recommended parameters for specific object indications. These presets are designed to improve your out-of-the-box printing experience. To use a preset, you need to select it in the corresponding combo box, press Assign button, and click on the object. Additionally, these presets are automatically applied if Hornet Studio can read the corresponding object indication from its construction info or Hornet Studio can guess it from the file name. In some cases, the object plate can be hard to separate from the printing platform due to the suction force. To address this issue, we designed the carving feature. Carving is a modification of the support plate that removes some material in order to reduce the suction force and ease the separation of the support plate from the printer's platform. Hornet Studio includes 3 different carving patterns: checkerboard, hatching, and Hilbert space filling curve. To add a carving to a support plate, follow the same procedure as with support plates. Select the corresponding pattern in the combo box, press the Add button, and click on the object. You can also easily remove the carving from the support plate and assign a different one. To illustrate the differences between carvings types, let us add distinct carving to each platform in the scene. All carving patterns have the same set of parameters. The angle parameter changes the orientation of the carving pattern. In this example, it changes the orientation, the Hilbert curve. The scale parameter changes the pattern size in relation to the object size. That is, if we reduce scale, the distance between lines is also reduced. The removal ratio parameter indicates the ratio between the carving area and the total platform area. The engraving depth controls how deep the carvings are in relation to the platform. If we set this parameter to 100%, carvings will go completely through the platform. If we set it 50%, they will go only halfway through the platform. As with support plates, you can create presets for carvings. To do so, assign a new carving pattern to the object and modify its parameters. The preset can be saved on the hard drive by pressing the Save button. It will allow us to reuse it in the future projects.